Hey everyone, my name is Ayush Shah. I am a first year computer science student living in Ahmedabad, which is a city in India. Today I am going to show you what I did for my CS50 Python final project. I've made a Python program which is called Advanced Random Substitution Cipher Encryption. It will take any file as an input. Any file means any text file or programming file as an input, and it will output a text file which is encrypted. So I'll show you how it works. So for encryption you have to pass a flag -e or -s encrypt. So it will ask for a file name. So here I have a file called hash.c. It is a C file which I wrote a while back, and I'll type in hash.c. The file that you want to encrypt should be in the root folder, and it will generate a file which looks something like this. It is encrypted, and it will also generate a key file which contains the key. So the key file should be kept safe because it is the only way you can decrypt the message. Otherwise you won't be able to decrypt the message. For decryption you have to pass the decrypt argument. So let's decrypt this file. Python. Here you have to type the file name, which is the encrypted file name, and then it will ask you for the file name of the key file. So and it will decrypt the message and output the file in a separate folder called decrypted. So here is the decrypted version, and here is the original version. Both are same. So yeah, this was my final project. Thanks for watching.